Sam,
Hi.
how are you? We're gonna do the Omani traditional hi. Perfect. Are you going with us in this aircraft?
I am. I'm coming to your beautiful country, Oman.
With the 787-9 Dreamliner.
So let's go, Mohammed.
I'm really excited, man. Let's go.
Oman Air has taken delivery of its first Boeing 787-9 with a brand new Chui class interior, including new first class suite. The Middle Eastern carrier already has 4 787-8 and 3 787-9 service. Oman Air's new 787-9 is fitted with 8 first class suite, as well as 24 seats in business and 232 in economy class. I was invited by Oman Air and Boeing to attend a delivery ceremony at Boeing Everett factory, which took place on the 27th June 2018. This video documents my whole delivery flight experience and include rare footage from the cockpit. Hope you like it.
Hey, welcome on board.
Hi, how are you?
Hey.
See you. Hi. Thank you very much.
But I think you are actually sitting in a cargo hold today. You're not coming here. You should go to the cargo deck.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, man.
Okay. I think Rim's gonna give you an upgrade.
Okay.
50-80 middle seats in economy.
Thank you very much.
All right, welcome. Oh, you're hiding here.
I'm here, man. How are you?
Yay. So now we upgraded you from cargo hold to economy, and then this is not just economy. You can have the whole economy. Probably hundreds of seats here. You can choose anywhere you want to sit.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
My name is Captain Khalid Amry. I'm also joined here with Captain Hafid Al-Khatri and also Captain Mahdi Al-Saeed. Welcome on board our Dreamliner 787-9, the first of the tri-class, including the first class. Our flight, just to give you a brief about it before we start our pre-flight departure checks, it will take us approximately 15 hours and 30 minutes. Initially we'll be cruising at 39,000 feet. However, later on, of course, as we get lighter, we'll be able to climb to 41,000 feet. An average cruise Mach number of 0.85, and so far the distance showing 7,741 miles.
Maintain 3,000, departure frequency 128.5, squawk 6606.
Airport 400 Foxtrot to Oscar Max Sierra, and climb 3,000 feet initially, departure frequency 128.5. Squawk 6606. I need you to confirm the departure again. Is it 10-5?
Alpha 400 Foxtrot Heavy, affirmative. It is the Pain 5 departure.
So this is the new Oman Air 787-9 first class, and as you expected, it's luxury, and it's got the privacy here. It's a manual door with the latches and all that, and really like the privacy and the space, and there's no beam if you notice in the first class cabin, and so far very happy, very impressed with the design and the details put in that.
The first class suite deserve a closer look as it carries a lot of details that passengers will appreciate. The ottoman seats can be used as a buddy seat during the flight. It also comes with a drink holder, cocktail table, second handset for in-flight entertainment, and power points inside the storage. congratulations, sir, for taking such a beautiful delivery of the new 787-9 with first class on board. Congratulations.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you. Thank you.
So share with us some of the delivery process, because a blogger like me will see only the service. We get invited to come on the delivery flight and see the beauty of things, but there's a long process.
We've been working on the cabin design of this aircraft and with the first class seat for almost 3 years.
Really?
It's a quite long time. It's not an easy time, and there was a lot of effort done by our engineering team, our guest experience team. So there's a lot of input from the airline side with the designer, with the aircraft manufacturer, and with the seat manufacturer too. So there's a lot of hard work has been done, and that's why you see the end product really, it's so beautiful and so nice.
And tell us about your growth plan.
Well, Sam, I always tell people, today we invest money for Oman tomorrow. And as you know, Oman Air, we are focusing more as a destination airline, and we want to promote Oman as a destination. The 787 basically it will be a key element for our growth, for our future growth.
Yes.
The 787-9, the 3 class, it will be launched from 1st of July. It will do Muscat, London, Muscat route. Here we have some Omani cabin crew, and male cabin crew and female cabin crew. They're doing a wonderful job, and I think this is the way forward. So these are the only people who really make sure that when they meet anyone who's coming first time to Oman, they would feel it from on board before reaching to Oman with Omani hospitality.
That's
and
great.
I'm very proud of them, really.
Please.
Oh yeah, there's Omani dates.
Yes.
Omani coffee, yes. Oh, this coffee is good.
Yeah. Thank you. Symbol behind you, our Opera House gate.
This one here?
Yeah. This
Wow.
one. Yeah. So this is the beauty of Omani architecture. It's the Opera House, and this is the main gate of the Opera IFP system with the different options. Just you log to the Explore. You can enjoy Oman as a beautiful destination.
Just using the first class bathroom of Oman Air, they gave a very nice pajama. There it is. It's like a zip. You can zip all the way down and open and then put it on and close.
Sam, may I take your meal order?
Sure.
For the appetizer, I have a roasted vegetable salad, I have a seafood chowder soup, or I have a mixed green salad with your choice of dressing.
Okay, I have the soup, please.
Soup. The main course, I have pesto salmon with rice with mixed vegetables. I have chicken breast with roast potatoes and vegetables as well. Or I have a vegetarian option with
salmon.
salmon. For dessert, I have a white chocolate caramel cake, or I have a cheesecake with blueberry dressing.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. How about to drink with your...
I like to have a glass of mimosa. It's like a Seattle lobster biscuit seafood soup. What I really like about it is all these fine dining tableware. They feature the mountains of Oman, and it's very unique. It's very Omani, especially this plate here, the show plate. On our flight, the catering is from Boeing, so it is not the usual Oman Air catering.
I'm Captain Hafid Al-Khatri. Call sign today is Alpha 4 Oscar Sierra Foxtrot. The flight is starting from United States, Canada and Greenland, and we pass over Iceland, north of UK, and we go down to south of Germany, Switzerland, and way towards down Italy, then south to Sina, and we plan to cross Saudi Arabia. After that we'll cross UAE, exactly north of Abu Dhabi, then to reach our destination Muscat. Flying time 15 hours 31 minutes. As with 787, is a modern aircraft of the class. It's a paperless cockpit. Now we don't use the normal charts. We have our chart here, and chart, which is the replacement for the paper one. This modern aircraft, even we don't use everything with a mouse. We have a mouse here. We use the FMC. This old screen, we have 5 screens. It's only like a projection now. Anything you want to change here, we have a system. We have the system, any system, we can select like kiosks. We have a hydraulic and fuel system. We also have electronic checklist we have on this aircraft. Also you can put, if you want, NDs to change it, coming down. Others is only projection, and you can select which anyone you can select.
This one means that this screen's view is coming down to here. Switch the screen.
Yeah, switch the, and I can put it
Ah,
down,
you can switch the screen around.
Yeah, I can put system. So I can
there are many of female Omani crew in Oman Air, and I'm proudly to be one of them. Maybe because of my father, because he used to be engineer in Air Force in Saudi Arabia. So yeah, maybe that's why I was interested to become a flight attendant. Yeah. Yes.
Tell us some of the good places you recommend people go holiday in Oman.
For me, I love hiking, so I love to go to Green Mountain, Jabal Akhdar.
Jabal Akhdar.
Yes, and Jabal Shams we have.
Jabal Shams.
Yeah, it's nice to go there, especially in summer. The weather there is different, it's cold. Yeah.
Just checking out the economy class, because I have the whole economy class to myself. You know, it's amazing here how much space you can have now. Checking out the new seats. Oh, my head can be locked. Yeah, this is nice. We're gonna try out the recline now. So when you recline, the seat cushion also goes forward, so you can actually have a bit more for your leg. So I'm just now trying out the private suites on Oman Air's first class. And the door is a manual door. So you just closing the door, create your own personal space. It is really much wider. This is why the difference between first class and business class. Just turn off this. For those who is keen to try out Oman Air premium products, I recommend flying from Cairo to London, as the fare is the cheapest at the moment. It was so interesting, we had bright moonlights on one side of the plane and sun shining on the other side of the plane. As we fly over North Atlantic, we never experienced any darkness. It was a complete day flight. This is really just a delivery flight. There's only 16 passengers on board. So you can do pretty much all you can. And I come to the galley to help myself and have a sandwich.
See the bridge back? Yeah, 7,000 feet. Check.
08 left, NH 995.
Minimum.
100. 50. 30. 20. 10. 5.
Welcome to Oman, Sam.
Welcome to our home. This is Oman.
After 15.5 hours, we landed at the Muscat International Airport, home of Oman Air. There were a delegation of officials and local media came on board to visit the new aircraft. I can really feel how proud Oman Air is to display their latest plane of the fleet. Congratulations and thanks for watching.